Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Welcome back to a new journey where we explore one of the most advanced expedition camper builds designed for extreme travel and ultimate freedom. This is not just a vehicle. It is a complete mobile living system created for people who want to break away from limitations and experience life on the open road in a completely different way. From the very first look, you can feel that this machine is built for long-distance exploration and off-grid adventure where normal travel rules no longer apply as we move around the exterior. The size and presence of this expedition camper immediately stands out. It carries a strong, road-dominating stance combined with modern design elements that reflect both durability and futuristic thinking. Every angle feels intentional, and every detail seems designed to support real-world travel conditions rather than just showroom display at this point. Think about something simple. If you had a vehicle like this, where would your first journey take? You drop your answer in the comments, because I really want to know how you imagine freedom on wheels now. Looking deeper into the structure, you start to notice how well balanced this build really is. It is not only about looking powerful, but also about being practical for long expeditions. Storage areas, utility sections, and exterior functionality all come together to support a lifestyle where the road becomes your home. What makes this even more interesting is the way modern electric technology is being integrated into this kind of build. Instead of traditional fuel-based systems, we are moving toward cleaner, quieter, and more efficient travel solutions. This changes the entire experience because now journeys feel smoother and more connected. With nature around you, imagine driving silently through mountains, forests, and open highways without engine noise disturbing the environment around you. That kind of travel experience feels almost unreal, but it is becoming a real possibility with modern engineering. If you are enjoying this exploration so far, take a second and like the video, and let me know if you believe electric expedition campers are the future, or notice we continue walking around this build. One thing becomes very clear. This is not designed for occasional trips. This is designed for people who want to live differently, people who want to wake up in new locations, experience changing views, and remove the idea of fixed living entirely. That is exactly what makes expedition campers like this so fascinating. They are not just transportation. They represent a shift in lifestyle, a shift from routine-based living to experience-based living, where every day brings something new. Before we move further, I want you to think about your comfort zone. How long do you think you could realistically live in something like this? 1 week, 1 month, or maybe even longer? Write your answer in the comments because I know everyone has a different idea of freedom. Now, as we reach the end of this part, the overall impression of this camper becomes even stronger. It is powerful, it is intelligent, and it is clearly built with the vision of long-term adventure in mind. And this is just the beginning of what this build has to offer. As we continue deeper into this expedition camper, the real lifestyle aspect starts to become even more clear. This is not just about travel anymore. It is about complete independence from traditional living systems. Everything here is designed for people who want to stay on the move while still enjoying a comfortable and organized life. When you look at the interior concept, you can imagine how carefully every space has been planned. Living area, sleeping zones, storage, and daily use sections are all designed in a way that nothing feels wasted. The goal is simple: maximum comfort in minimum space, while still keeping everything practical for long journeys. Think about waking up in a completely different environment every morning. One day, you are near mountains, the next day beside a river, and another day deep inside open landscapes. That constant change is what makes this kind of lifestyle so powerful and attractive to adventure lovers. If this kind of freedom sounds interesting to you, take a moment and like the video. And also tell me, where would you travel first if this camper was yours? Now, moving further, one of the most important things in a build like this is long-term sustainability. Because when you are far away from cities, you need systems that can support you independently. Power storage, energy efficiency, and smart usage all become part of daily life. This is where modern engineering plays a huge role. Electric platforms are not just about being eco-friendly. They are also about reliability and long-distance efficiency. The idea is to reduce dependency on fuel stops and create a smoother travel experience. Imagine driving through remote areas without worrying about engine noise, fuel stations, or frequent maintenance breaks. That kind of simplicity changes how you experience travel completely, and this is exactly why more and more people are showing interest in expedition-style campers. It is not just a trend, it is a shift in mindset toward freedom-based living. Let me ask you something here. Do you think this kind of lifestyle is actually practical for long-term living, or is it just a dream for most people? Drop your opinion in the comments because I want to see different perspectives. On thesis, we keep exploring. Another thing worth noticing is the attention to detail in the overall build quality. Nothing feels accidental. Everything appears purpose-driven. That usually means the designers were focused on real-world usage rather than just appearance. Strong materials, weather resistance, and structural balance all point toward serious expedition capability. This is the kind of vehicle that is meant for challenging environments, not just smooth highways, and when you combine that durability with modern comfort features, it creates a unique balance. A balance between adventure and safety, between freedom and stability. If you are still watching this video, you are probably someone who enjoys exploring unique travel ideas. So I want you to hit like and share this video with someone who loves road trips or camping. Adventure snow. As we move toward the next section of this journey, the overall impression becomes even stronger. This camper is not just a machine. It is a lifestyle concept built for the future of travel. And what we are seeing here is only part of a much bigger vision. This journey, the focus shifts back to what makes this expedition camper truly special and why it stands out in the world of modern travel vehicles. This is not just a design experiment or a luxury showcase. It is a complete vision of how future travel could look for people who value freedom and independence above everything else. Every section of this build reflects the idea of mobility without limits and comfort without compromise. When you think about it deeply, this kind of vehicle removes the barriers that normally come with travel planning and accommodation. There's no need to search for hotels or worry about fixed schedules, because your entire living space moves with you wherever you go. That means your lifestyle becomes fully flexible and your surroundings are constantly changing in the most natural and beautiful way. Imagine ending your day in a quiet, remote place, surrounded by nature with everything you need right inside your vehicle. That is the kind of experience many people dream about, but only a few actually explore in real life. If you are enjoying this exploration so far, take a moment and like the video and share it with someone who loves road trips and adventure travel. Another important point is how this type of camper changes the meaning of long-distance journeys. It is no longer about reaching a destination quickly, but about enjoying every moment of the journey itself. The road becomes part of the experience, and every stop becomes a memory. This is why expedition campers are becoming more popular among travelers who want something beyond traditional tourism. They offer a lifestyle where freedom, comfort, and exploration all exist together in one system. And as we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with one final thought. If you had the chance to live this kind of life with complete freedom, where would you go first, and how would you design your journey? For more videos, subscribe Rolling Wheels and click bell icon.